What's up, guys? Welcome back. Happy 2024. We are at our new shop. I will do a video on that later on. Today we have a 2024 BMW 760i, and we're gonna follow that body line and do the whole bottom gloss black for a two-tone wrap. We'll jump right into it. I'll get a time lapse set up and we'll get it going. All right, guys, it is 7 degrees out in Ohio this morning, but I wanted to get a quick 360 of the BMW. Again, this is 3m's new high gloss. First time using it on a car, and I think it looks great. It's so much, the clarity is so much better than just regular 2080, but got. So hope you guys liked the first video back, and we'll see you next time.